Click on the link below to get price. The Model E100H Hard-Wired Dehumidifier is a robust solution for tackling humidity in large spaces, making it ideal for basements, warehouses, and even commercial settings. With an impressive capacity of removing up to 100 pints of moisture per day, this unit is engineered for efficiency, ensuring that your environment remains comfortable and free from the damaging effects of excess humidity. Installation is straightforward thanks to its hardwired design, which allows for direct connections to your electrical system. While this may require a professional electrician for setup, the benefit is a cleaner, more permanent solution compared to portable units that need to be plugged in and moved around. Once installed, the E100H operates quietly and unobtrusively, making it suitable for environments where noise levels need to be kept to a minimum. The dehumidifier features a durable construction, designed to withstand the rigors of continuous use. This is particularly important in settings where humidity levels can fluctuate significantly. The internal components are built with longevity in mind, and the unit includes a corrosion-resistant finish, which extends its lifespan significantly. Another standout feature is its digital control panel, which allows users to set desired humidity levels with precision. The unit automatically adjusts its operation to maintain the set humidity, providing peace of mind. Additionally, the continuous drainage option simplifies maintenance, as you won't have to frequently empty a collection tank. In terms of energy efficiency, the Model E100H is designed to minimize energy consumption while maximizing moisture removal, making it an environmentally friendly choice. The unit is also equipped with a built-in humidistat, ensuring it operates only when necessary, further enhancing its efficiency. In summary, the Model E100H Hard-Wired Dehumidifier is an excellent investment for anyone dealing with excessive humidity. Its high capacity, user-friendly features, and durable design make it a leading choice for both residential and commercial applications, ensuring a comfortable and healthy environment year-round.